Hello everybody, and welcome back to your virtual piano lessons. This is Masadi Wynn, and it's brought to you by Fulton County Department of Senior Services and the Dorothy Benser Senior Center, okay? So, where we left off the last time, if you remember correctly, we were doing flats, sharps, and naturals, the three new symbols that you need to learn, okay? So, if you remember correctly, the sharp means 1/2 step up, okay? Flat means 1/2 step down, okay? And natural is just the natural key, all right? So, let's come to the piano, please. Just a quick review, everybody. Here's your C. Remember, this is your middle C. Why? It's directly in the middle of the piano. So if I want to play a C sharp, I would go 1/2 step up. That's your C sharp, okay? Now, this is your C. If I wanted to play a C flat, I go 1/2 step down. This is a C flat. Even if it's a white key, it's still 1/2 step down, okay? C sharp, C flat. And of course, C natural is the natural key. Okay. Now that we've gone over that, I'm going to be introducing you today to the G major scale. We have practiced our C major scale. We've went up and down, both left hand and right hand. Okay. The next scale we need to learn is called the G major scale. Now, there's only one difference in this scale than the C major. Well, two differences. First difference, and that's a major difference, is that you start on a G instead of a C. You start on a G instead of a C. The second difference is you have one sharp in the G major scale, and that is a F sharp. So, whenever you're playing the G major scale, whenever you get to the F, and remember, this is the F key, okay? You will make it sharp, okay? F, F sharp, okay? How did we get there? So, you remember this is C, D, E, F. That's how you get to F, okay? Start with C and just get to F. This is your F sharp, okay? Now, let's begin with our right hand, okay? I want your thumb to play the G just below middle C. So here's middle C. This is just below middle C, okay? Now, you need your wrist curved, your fingers curved. Make sure you're playing with your fingertips. And we're going to follow along with your paperwork. 1, 2, 3. Thumb under. 1, 2, 3. F sharp. And thumb under. 2, 3. Thumb under. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? We're going to do that again. Start on your G. 1, 2, 3. Thumb under. 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp. Thumb under. 1, 2, 3. Thumb under. Last 5. 1, 2, 3. F sharp. And 5. Now, you know, scales are pretty tricky to learn, but the way we accomplish it is by repeating over and over. I want you to remember, practice does not make perfect, okay? Practice does not make perfect. Perfect practice makes perfect, okay? Now, you can be playing something, practicing something wrong, And when it comes time to play it, you'll play it wrong. That's what I mean by perfect practice makes perfect. So, while we're practicing the G major scale, we do not speed up. We do not slow down. We pick a tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, a nice, slow, even tempo. We are going to be working on the right hand only, okay? Right hand only. Now, when we're working on the right hand, I want you to go upwards 5 times, okay? 5 times. And then we're going back down. You're going to have to play that 5 times. Okay. Let me go over that one more time, slowly. You start on 5, F sharp. You want to bring 3 over, 4 over, and finish off with 3, 2. Okay? Now, you went up and you came down. We have an entire week to practice our right hand only G major scale. I need you to go up, down, correct fingering. Make sure you remember your F sharp, okay? F sharp. That's your G major scale. Okay, everybody. Now, after you spend, let's say, 20 minutes first warming up your fingers using that G major scale, okay? Next, I want you to move on to your book. Remember, Adult Piano, Hal Leonard by Nancy and Randall Faber, okay? We're going to turn in our books to page 76. It's called The English Folk Song, okay? So, now, before you begin playing, we have to look at certain things, okay? Remember, you know your treble clef, you know your bass clef, and you know your time signature. Now, we normally see a 4-4 on the top, or 4-4 instead of that 3-4. Do we know what the top number means? Correct. How many beats per measure? So since there's a 3 on the top, that means we have 3 beats per measure. Let's count. You remember this is a half note, remember? So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'll rest. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, let's get to the piano and begin. Right hand only, everybody. The first note is on your first line. First note is on your first line, which is an E. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? That was the right hand only. We just played the English folk song all the way through. Now, there are two things that I want you to notice, okay? One, it's the slur line. You see how this connects these two notes? This slur line. This is actually called a slur, okay? And what that means is all of these notes are connected. What does connected mean? If I play one note, I don't play the next note unless it's connected. So you hear that's connected? That's connected. This is not connected. Okay? That's not connected. This is connected. Okay? Smooth and connected. That's all this slur means. From note to note, slur. Okay? Another thing I want you to notice. This rest symbol, okay? I call it a whole rest. And in your notes, it may say hold for 4 beats. But what if the time signature is 3/4? What does this mean? The whole rest means that you rest for the entire measure, okay? Not just 4 beats, but if your measure is 3 beats, you hold for 3 beats, okay? Your whole rest, okay? Those are the two things I want you to look out for. This slur and this whole rest, okay? It means the whole measure is rested. Now, I'm going to play this entire piece just so you can hear it, get a feel for it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay. Excellent, everybody. Now, at the top of this, after you get through playing this piece, let's say 3 times, right hand only, 3 times completely through no mistakes, all right? We have 3 questions that I need you to answer at the end of your practice to get today, okay? So, right, well, I want you to answer really this middle question. This is the main question I want you to answer. The 3 letter names used in this piece. After you play this piece, you're going to notice that you only use 3 different letter names. I need to know each of the 3 letter names that you use, okay? I want you to write it down on top and just say 3 notes only, okay? English folk song, page 76. And I want you to have a great day, okay? Thank you.